Hello, little friends. Welcome back to our fun alphabet adventure. Today, we are going to learn about a happy letter. Can you guess what it is? That's right. It's the letter H. H is the 8th letter of the alphabet, and it starts so many happy words. Let's learn the interesting new words that starts with alphabet H. A hamster is a small, furry pet that loves to run and play. It has tiny paws, a little tail, and big cheeks for storing food. Hamsters come in different colors like brown, white, and black. They start with the letter H, which sounds like ha. When you think of a hamster, remember the letter H and how this cute animal enjoys running on its wheel and exploring its cage. Hamsters are fun pets to have and love to nibble on seeds and vegetables. They are great for watching and caring for. A hawk is a strong, fast bird with sharp claws and a hooked beak. It has excellent eyesight, allowing it to spot small animals from high in the sky. Hawks come in various colors, but many have brown feathers with white or gray patterns. They start with the letter H, which sounds like ha. When you think of a hawk, remember the letter H and how this powerful bird soars through the air and hunts for food. Hawks are fascinating to watch as they glide and dive with amazing speed and skill. A hedgehog is a small animal with a round body covered in spiky quills. When it feels scared, it curls up into a ball to protect itself. Hedgehogs have tiny faces with little noses and big eyes. They come out at night to look for food like insects and plants. Hedgehogs start with the letter H, which sounds like ha. When you think of a hedgehog, remember the letter H and how this cute, spiky creature uses its quills for safety. Hedgehogs are fun to learn about and are very interesting animals. A hen is a farm bird that lays eggs. It has feathers, a beak, and makes a clucking sound. Hens are usually brown, white, or black and live in co-ops. They scratch the ground to find food like seeds and insects. Hens start with the letter H, which sounds like ha. When you think of a hen, remember the letter H and how this helpful bird gives us eggs to eat. Hens are fun to watch as they peck and cluck around the farm, and they play an important role in providing fresh eggs. A hippopotamus, or hippo, is a large, heavy animal that lives near rivers and lakes in Africa. It has a big, round body, short legs, and a huge mouth with large teeth. Hippos spend a lot of time in the water to stay cool and can hold their breath for a long time. They start with the letter H, which sounds like ha. When you think of a hippopotamus, remember the letter H and how this massive animal loves to swim and rest in the water. Hippos are fascinating to watch and are one of the largest animals on land. A housefly is a small insect that buzzes around homes. It has big, red eyes, 2 wings, and tiny hairs on its body. Houseflies are usually black or gray and are known for their quick flying. They start with the letter H, which sounds like ha. When you think of a housefly, remember the letter H and how this tiny bug likes to fly around looking for food. Houseflies can be found on fruits, vegetables, and even trash. They are interesting insects to learn about, but we don't want them in our food. A horse is a large, strong animal with long legs and a flowing mane. Horses can be different colors like brown, black, white, or spotted. They start with the letter H, which sounds like ha. When you think of a horse, remember the letter H and how this amazing animal can run fast, pull carts, and carry people on its back. Horses are friendly and smart, often used for riding, farming, and even racing. They live in stables and enjoy eating hay, grass, and carrots. Horses are wonderful animals to watch and ride. A hummingbird is a tiny, colorful bird known for its rapid wing beats, which make a humming sound. It can hover in the air and fly backward. Hummingbirds start with the letter H, which sounds like ha. When you think of a hummingbird, remember the letter H and how this small bird zips around quickly from flower to flower. They drink sweet nectar from flowers using their long, thin beaks. Hummingbirds come in bright colors like green, red, and blue, and they are fascinating to watch as they dart around gardens and parks. A hyena is a wild animal that lives in Africa. It has a strong, sturdy body, spotted or striped fur, and powerful jaws. Hyenas are known for their loud, laughing-like calls and are excellent hunters. They start with the letter H, which sounds like ha. When you think of a hyena, remember the letter H and how this clever animal works in groups to find food. Hyenas can eat many things and often work together to catch their prey. They are fascinating creatures that play an important role in their ecosystem. A hare is a fast, wild animal that looks like a large rabbit. It has long ears, strong back legs, and soft fur that can be brown, gray, or white. Hares can run very quickly to escape from predators. They start with the letter H, which sounds like ha. When you think of a hare, remember the letter H and how this speedy animal hops and sprints across fields and forests. Hares are great at hiding in tall grass and are active mainly at dusk and dawn. They are fascinating animals to watch in the wild. A hammock is a special kind of bed made from strong fabric or netting. It hangs between two trees or poles and is used for relaxing. You can swing gently back and forth while lying in it. Hammocks are often found in gardens or on camping trips. They start with the letter H, which sounds like ha. When you think of a hammock, remember the letter H and how it's a comfy place to rest and enjoy a nice day. Hammocks are fun to use and perfect for taking a nap or reading a book outdoors. A hanger is a tool used to keep clothes neat and tidy. It is shaped like a curved hook and has a bar or clips to hold clothes in place. You hang your clothes on a hanger to keep them from getting wrinkled. Hangers start with the letter H, which sounds like ha. When you think of a hanger, remember the letter H and how it helps keep your shirts, pants, and dresses organized in your closet. Hangers are handy for keeping your clothes ready to wear and looking nice. A hamburger is a tasty sandwich made with a cooked beef patty, placed between two round, soft bread buns. It often includes extras like lettuce, tomato, cheese, and pickles. Hamburgers start with the letter H, which sounds like ha. When you think of a hamburger, remember the letter H and how this yummy sandwich is enjoyed by many people at picnics, barbecues, and fast food places. Hamburgers are fun to eat because you can add your favorite toppings and make it just the way you like it. A hot dog is a tasty treat made from a cooked sausage placed inside a long, soft bread roll. It's often enjoyed with fun toppings like mustard, ketchup, onions, or pickles. Hot dogs start with the letter H, which sounds like ha. When you think of a hot dog, remember the letter H and how this delicious food is popular at picnics, bowl games, and cookouts. Hot dogs are easy to hold and eat, making them a favorite snack for many people. They are great for sharing with friends and family at outdoor events. A hairbrush is a tool used to keep your hair neat and tidy. It has a handle and a bunch of thin bristles or teeth that help smooth out tangles and make your hair look nice. Hairbrushes start with the letter H, which sounds like ha. When you think of a hairbrush, remember the letter H and how it helps you brush and style your hair every day. Using a hairbrush makes your hair feel soft and helps keep it looking its best. Hairbrushes come in different shapes and sizes to suit all types of hair. Ham is a type of meat that comes from a pig. It is often cooked and can be eaten in slices or used in sandwiches. Ham is usually pink or brown and has a delicious, savory taste. It starts with the letter H, which sounds like ha. When you think of ham, remember the letter H and how this tasty meat is enjoyed during meals and special occasions. Ham can be served hot or cold and is a favorite in many dishes. It's a yummy food that people love to eat in different ways. Hotcakes are fluffy, round pancakes that are cooked on a griddle or frying pan. They are usually enjoyed for breakfast and can be served with butter, syrup, or fruit. Hotcakes start with the letter H, which sounds like ha. When you think of hotcakes, remember the letter H and how these warm, soft cakes are a delicious treat in the morning. They are easy to make and fun to eat with your favorite toppings. Hotcakes are perfect for a yummy start to your day and can be enjoyed with family and friends. Honey is a sweet, golden syrup made by bees from flower nectar. It's sticky and can be drizzled on bread, used in recipes, or added to tea for extra flavor. Honey starts with the letter H, which sounds like ha. When you think of honey, remember the letter H and how this tasty treat is made by bees and enjoyed by people around the world. It's a natural sweetener that adds a delicious taste to many foods. Honey is also fun to use in cooking and baking, making your meals and snacks extra yummy. A hat is a piece of clothing you wear on your head to keep warm or look stylish. Hats come in many shapes and sizes, like baseball caps, sun hats, and winter beanies. They can be made from different materials like fabric, wool, or straw. Hats start with the letter H, which sounds like ha. When you think of a hat, remember the letter H and how it helps protect your head from the sun or cold. Hats are fun to wear and can be colorful or decorated to match your outfit. A hoodie is a cozy, comfortable sweatshirt with a hood. The hood is a special part that covers your head and can be pulled up to keep you warm. Hoodies are made from soft fabric and often have a front pocket to keep your hands warm or carry small things. They start with the letter H, which sounds like ha. When you think of a hoodie, remember the letter H and how this warm and comfy piece of clothing is perfect for cool or chilly days. Hoodies are great for staying cozy and looking stylish. High heels are special shoes with tall, thin heels at the back. They make you look taller and can be very stylish. High heels are often worn for special occasion and come in many colors and designs. They start with the letter H, which sounds like ha. When you think of high heels, remember the letter H and how these shoes have a high heel that raises your feet off the ground. They can be fun to wear for dressing up, but they're not always the most comfortable for walking. High heels make any outfit look extra fancy. Hiking boots are strong, sturdy shoes designed for walking on trails and uneven ground. They have thick soles and high tops to support your ankles and keep your feet comfortable and safe. Hiking boots are made from tough materials to protect your feet from rocks and mud. They start with the letter H, which sounds like ha. When you think of hiking boots, remember the letter H and how these special shoes help you explore nature and go on adventures. Hiking boots are perfect for outdoor fun and keeping your feet happy on long walks and hikes. A helicopter is a flying machine with big, spinning blades on top. Unlike airplanes, helicopters can take off and land straight up and down, and they can hover in one place. They start with the letter H, which sounds like ha. When you think of a helicopter, remember the letter H and how this cool vehicle flies in the sky with its spinning blades. Helicopters are used for many things, like helping in emergencies, taking people to different places, and even flying over cities to see amazing views. They are exciting and fun to learn about.